Welcome to Mars Motorsports and Farming Channel. I'm at the National Farm Machinery Show in Louisville, Kentucky, and I'm currently at the Unverferth display. Here is a seed tender. And that's just a regular drawbar type here. And then here is a fifth wheel seed tender, or gooseneck. It's technical name, but I still call it fifth wheel just because it's, not drawbar. And here is a Brent grain cart. Brent is one of the brands that Unverferth bought out, and they're still using the Brent name for this one. And here's a display of the track system. And this banner shows different companies that Unverferth bought out over the years. And there's Unverferth's logo there. And here is a Unverferth Extreme grain cart series that they have. And this one here has several different functions where you can adjust that spout to be more accurate with when you're emptying into your semi or grain truck or whatever it is you're filling. And here's a Blue Jet, not sure what the technical name is on this, but it looks like more of a closing system. Trackmaster, they're calling it. Here they're showing videos of how it works. Okay, here is 3 different field cultivator models that they have, which I didn't really know that they wasn't sure that they made field cultivators. And I guess you can get up to a 40-foot model on these. There's 2 different rolling harrow displays here. You can get both models in green or red. Not sure what the name is of this right now. Box would do, I'd have to look into that, because I'm not sure right now. Here is a caddy that's used for, you put your 3-point implement on the back of it and control it with a regular tractor hydraulic and pull it with your drawbar. So it's kind of a neat setup. Here is a ripper setup. three different names here. There's what they call a Ripper Stripper, a Ripper Roller, and a Ripper Better. You know, there are three different ways to get this. You know, the names I just gave you. And here's a Blue Jet Division inline ripper, I like to call it. I think that's what you call it. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Walking around the Unreversed booth at the National Farm Machinery Show in Louisville, Kentucky. Thank you guys for watching my videos. I certainly appreciate it. Sorry about the shaking there. Be sure to hit the like button and be sure to click the subscribe button, and then once you're subscribed, then scroll over to the right and click on the bell, and that way you'll be notified when a new video is posted, and then you won't miss any content that way. Be sure to follow Mark's Motorsports and Farming channel on Facebook as well. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you later.